Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle? The Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit offers a seamless way to install a new aftermarket stereo right in your factory location. Designed specifically for double DIN stereos with a maximum screen size of 3 and 13/16 by 6 and 13/16, 96. 8 mm by 173 mm, this kit ensures a clean, professional look every time. What sets this dash kit apart is its precision engineering. It fits perfectly with no gaps between the dash and the kit, maintaining the sleek lines of your vehicle's interior. Plus, the color and texture match your factory dash, so it looks like it was made for your car from the start. No awkward mismatches or cheap finishes. Installation is straightforward and doesn't require any special tools. The kit includes clear, step-by-step instructions, making the process smooth even if you're not a seasoned installer. That means less time fumbling and more time enjoying your upgraded sound system. What really makes Scosche stand out is their commitment to quality and support. With over 40 years in the industry, they've earned a reputation for durable, reliable car stereo accessories. When you buy this dash kit, you're backed by Scosche's limited lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. Their knowledgeable team is ready to help with any questions for as long as you own the product. Take the 2004 Pontiac GTO owners who rave about the fit and finish of this kit. One user shared how it took a little adjustment to level the head unit perfectly, but the final result looked fantastic and fit like a glove. That's the kind of real-world feedback that speaks volumes about the product's quality. If you want a hassle-free way to upgrade your car stereo without compromising your vehicle's interior style, this Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit is worth a look. It delivers a factory-quality appearance, easy installation, and peace of mind with lifetime support. Ready to give your car stereo the upgrade it deserves? Try the Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit when you're ready to combine style, fit, and function in one package. It's the smart choice for anyone serious about their sound system and interior aesthetics.